Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS can extract information properly, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to various reasons, such as a malfunctioning hard drive or corrupted files. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, including data loss or complete system failure. To resolve this, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a spudger, and a replacement hard drive if needed. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. To open the Dell XPS safely, place it on a soft surface upside down. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the back panel. Be careful not to strip the screws, apply gentle pressure while turning. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using a spudger, starting from one corner and working your way around. Now, let's locate the faulty component. Often, the issue lies with the hard drive. Look for the hard drive bay, which is typically marked. Carefully disconnect the cables attached to the hard drive, taking note of their placement. If you feel at this point it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the cables are free, remove the screws holding the hard drive in place. Lift it out gently, ensuring you don't damage any surrounding components. Now, take your replacement hard drive and insert it into the bay, reversing the steps you took to remove the old one. Secure it with screws and reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. After everything is back in place, replace the back panel, ensuring it clicks into position. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier. Power on your device to check if it now extracts information correctly. If it does, congratulations! To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly back up your data and run disk checks to ensure your hard drive is functioning properly. This will help catch problems early before they escalate. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.